Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of AEG something machine, I cannot pronounce it. Now this beard and hair trimmer that can be found for a really low price. This is a cordless model that includes a charging base and some extra accessories, so let's open the box and check them out. Now, opening the box, we are going to find, first of all, the device itself, but we have also a power cable, and I almost missed that there is also here what it seems like an instruction manual. Okay, now we also have the charging base, and here's the socket that connects your charging cable with a wall plug, like it's so. Now the metallic looking plastic base has 4 rubberized feet, and some extra accessories are included, like this tiny cleaning brush for the top of our trimming device. So here you can see it. You see there's a stainless steel top that can be cleaned with our brush, and the rest of the body is covered by a glossy black plastic finish. I really don't like this kind of plastic because it is a fingerprint magnet, but on the back you can see there's a matte plastic that I would prefer for the whole body. On the one side we have the on-off switch. As you can see, the battery has some power left in it, and on top of the angled header you can add some of these accessories. There are different size and type of trimming adapters that can be added to have the desired length of beard or hair while you operate this trimmer. Now the installation is quite simple. You just place the adapter on top and you lock it with this plastic mechanism here on the back. And again we have another adapter. We have 3 in total that we can place on top of our trimming device and lock it before the use for the desired length, and you remove it like it's so. Now inside the box we'll also find, oh yes, here it is, a manual that can be found. In here are written instructions in a variety of languages, so you should refer to this manual for more instructions. And now charging the device, it's a quite simple task. You just have to plug the base to the wall socket for power and then place the device on the base to charge, just like this. Now I should mention that there are also other products out there, but for the price I suppose AEG gives you a lot with this model. And overall this is a hair and beard trimmer with a charging station and some accessories that can not be found on this price category. So this was the unboxing of AEG hair and beard trimmer. From Tech, thank you for watching. Leave us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.